Okay, so there you go. That was simple. So I'm just putting it on paper towels so that the grease can soak off of it. And it looked like a lot of pieces in the pan, but it's actually not because they do shrink down some. I'll see later. So another quick light meal. I'm using basil, of course lettuce, and I think this is the last bit of the lettuce. So tomorrow, and that's going to be another video, I will be planting some more lettuce seeds in my garden, and then some tomatoes. I will post a video of me picking. Yesterday I picked, oh my goodness, about 35. I made some fried green tomatoes with grits and shrimp. That video will be coming soon. I was also able to share some of the green tomatoes. But anyways, I just wanted to show you. I am going to use unsalted butter. To butter my bread. And then I'm going to put it in the toaster oven, toast it for about 2 minutes, and then I will assemble the BLT sandwich. Okay, my bread buttered. My toast is ready. While it's cooling off, I'm going to go ahead and place my tomatoes in a container so that I can wash my board off. Oops. Take it and throw it in your compost. Our bread is toasted, and I decided to go ahead and pick some fresh mint from the garden. Oh boy, this smells good. I know I'm always telling you everything smells good and tastes delicious, but it really does. There's a lot of wonderful benefits to having your own fresh produce and having your own herbs that you just walk straight out of your kitchen to your backyard, pick what you need, and cook your meals. A couple of slices of watermelon, so refreshing. So we've got some mint watermelon. Put another one on there. Okay, and this is just the way that I'm going to make the BLT. Of course, you at home, make it the way that you and your family enjoys it. I'm going to use a little bit of Miracle Whip for this sandwich. And the toast, it's buttered toast with a little bit of Miracle Whip. Get that out of the way. Then I'm going to assemble some lettuce on top of that. I am going to add a couple of those sliced tomatoes on top of that. Then I'm going to add some basil. This is what makes my BLT a little different from everybody else. I love basil. We love basil. And then a couple of slices. There you go. Maybe a little bit more lettuce. And another tomato. That looks so pretty. All right, go ahead, take a bite. And then put your top on. Oh my goodness. Nice, light, and it's still healthy because you have your lettuce and your tomatoes and your basil. And a light little dinner for when it's hot outside. Enjoy. Thanks for watching Blissful Spaces. Don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button down below, and I will see you in my next video. I can't wait. Go ahead, subscribe, and let me know, what are you cooking for dinner tonight?